Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add funds inside your ads manager so that you can start running paid ads on Instagram or Facebook platform. For that, you need to log into Meta Ads Manager. Once you log into Meta Ads Manager, click on this hamburger icon and use this option called Business Settings. Inside the Business Settings, scroll down and select this option called Billing and Payments. Once you click on the Billing and Payment method, you will see this screen. So on this screen, you will see your ad account. So check your ad account ID, make sure that's correct, because if you accidentally add funds over here, then there is no chances that Facebook will return that funds to you. So make sure that this ad account is correct. Okay. Then this option, there is another option called payment methods. So here you can add your payment method. So for that, just click here, add, then select your country, select the currency. I'll select INR over here. Then by default, it asks payment method selected is debit or credit card. Then click next. Here, enter your credit card or debit card details. Then select this option if it is applicable for you and click save. And once you submit the credit card or debit card detail, Meta will perform certain transaction on your credit or debit card just to make sure that whatever the card details you have provided, they are correct so that you can easily add funds to your account. Once this payment method selection is completed, go back to your accounts, select your ad account over here, then click add funds. Here, select the amount that you wish to use for your ad campaign. So I'll select this amount. And these are the predefined payment method I already selected for my account. So I can use my credit card, UPI or net banking. So I'll select credit card or debit card option here. Once you click next, here it will ask you about your business address. So enter appropriate detail over here. Then click this confirmation box and the advertising purpose. So select this option. Yes, I'm buying ad for my business purpose. So enter your credit card details over here again and click save. Once the payment is approved by credit or debit card issuer, you will start seeing balance over here. Now we can use this money to start our paid ad campaign, and how to run lead ad campaign or sales ad campaign inside Meta Ads Manager. That is something we're going to see in the next video. So in the meantime, make sure that you have correctly added your pages, ad account, Instagram account, WhatsApp account, data set, and business info inside business settings. And if you're new to Meta Ads Manager, check my channel. I already created a playlist for Meta Ads Manager tutorial. In this playlist, I have created all the videos for you. So follow this video and complete your payment method, and also check the playlist and complete your Meta Ads Manager setup. If you need any help to set up your Meta Ads Manager, then check my contact details. I'll be happy to help you in setting up Meta Ads Manager account and run paid ad campaign for your business. So check out my contact details in the description box and drop me a message. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment. I'll definitely have a look into it. And if you want me to create more videos related to Meta Ads Manager setting, you can provide those suggestions. I'll definitely try to create video around it. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon.